Okay, guys. I already tried a couple on a couple of fingers and realized that I had the wrong color that I was using. I was wondering why it wasn't showing up so bright. So we'll go ahead and do this again. Here is the tape that I use to tape up my fingers. This is Scotch tape. I just use two pieces and I put one right here, and then I take another one and I put it around the edges of my finger. And then you just need your glass with water in it. You need some Q-tips. And you also are going to want some little toothpicks. And that is going to help make your design in the water. Now, I tend to be pretty messy with this, so I definitely put paper towels down. Once we get going, you want to do it very quickly. Because you don't want that polish to dry in the water, because it's not going to make a design as well. So all we're going to do is just start doing little drops into the water. Sorry if you guys can hear that noise. That would be my darling puppy. Seems that my polish lid did not come off all the way. There we go. Okay. So you just keep dropping it in the middle of each other. Because I did that. Now, see, like this, it did not see it very well. It did not spread very well. So all I'm going to do is just take that Q-tip and put it in there. What happened was I waited too long, and that shows you, you got to go quick. And do my drops again. I don't know what the deal is. Normally it spreads a little bit more than this one is. And like I said, sometimes it can be a little bit messy. You want to do quite a few, and if it's not really spreading, you can kind of wiggle it like I just did, and that's going to help it spread into the water a little bit more. Because I had to do that, I'm going to do even more of these little guys. So it just kind of looks like a little bullseye. And all you want to do is go in from a couple from the outside, because you don't want it to look like, well, you don't want it to dry and mess up in the thing. So all I'm doing is I'm making just little designs in the water, and each time I do it, I am taking the toothpick and kind of just brushing it off. Okay, now all I do to get the design is I just dip my finger straight in, and then you're just going to take the Q-tip and get the excess from around the outside, because you don't want it to mess up your design. And then you can see I just did something like that, and I just take off the tape. Joe, do you have scissors over there? Sometimes it's easier to use some scissors, and all I do is just cut, like from my thumb, just cut up to get this tape off. Make sure not to cut your thumb when you do it. That obviously would not be very good. And then I just kind of rip it off. You're going to have all kinds of polish on that too. You want to make sure that you don't mess up this color. And then there you go. And you just got whatever design you put on there. And my nail's pretty good. I don't really have to worry about redoing any of it. All right. Well, I hope that this helped you guys.